Alright, we have a 8K rifle paintball gun here. I got this gun a few years ago, made some upgrades over time. You can see the condition is pretty good. It's been sitting in my garage. I lost the habit of going to paintballing, so that's why I'm selling it instead of having it sit in the garage. Always got a lot of looks from this. The AK look. Always got a lot of looks, a lot of fun. Took a lot of great pictures with this. You can see it has a scope on it. It has a removable magazine. There's this thing that toggles up and down. Scope, I think it's like a 50. What does it say? 2 by let's get it in the light. 2 by 42 it says. I don't know why this thing isn't focusing. There we go. 2 by 42 scope. Laser beam. Got the red dot in here as well. Keep the focusing up and down. Pretty accurate. Can't remember the model of the paintball gun. I want to make a phone call to my buddy who, put it together. I just paid for everything. Probably got like over $600 invested over here. Well, this is available for sale. Let me know if you're interested, and we can work on a deal of best offers. Talk to you.